I'm Susan, and this is the Children's Corner. Today we're going to talk about a foot that some people around here call the evil foot. Once you get used to it, though, you will be so glad that you have this in your collection of presser feet. This is the rolled hem foot. So what this foot will do is it will allow you to fold your fabric twice and stitch it like you would if you were wanting to finish the edge of ruffles that you were going to gather and stitch on the bottom of a dress or even on a collar. So on the bottom of my foot, it's like a ditch or a groove. And rolled hem feet, I think, come in 3 different sizes. I think it's 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, and 3 millimeters. This is the middle one. It's 2 millimeters, and it's the size I like the best. So if you are purchasing one and don't know for sure what to look at the bottom of the foot, and that's the size the hem will be. So what I'm going to do is I don't even take this to the iron. I just finger press about the same amount as I just showed you on that groove on the bottom. So for this, it's about 2 millimeters. And I'm going to finger press twice. So that's what you would be doing if you didn't have this foot. And as you iron, you would be doing that. And I always burn my fingers when I do that. So to start with, which is the trickiest part, just put your fabric under your foot, just like it was a regular presser foot. Position it so that you can see that your needle stitches right along that folded edge like you want it to. And then stop after you've stitched about 1/2 inch or so. Stop with your needle down. Raise your presser foot. And then you're going to take the edge of the fabric and put it up through that little rolled scroll looking edge. Okay, so now as we stitch, I'm just going to hold my fabric a little bit taut, and then I'm going to keep my fingers so that I fold over about the amount of fabric it would take to do those 2 folds on the hem. But your foot is really doing all the work. And this just takes practice. So once you get the hang of it, it's really kind of fun to do. You'll be putting more ruffles on more things.